Hello my friends and welcome to my channel. In today's video I will be sharing 3 different ways to set up your table for Christmas to create beautiful tablescapes for any occasion, whether that's a full-out dinner or a casual brunch or a breakfast. I hope you enjoy this video. I hope you find it inspirational. It is very budget friendly, pretty much using items that you have around your house. So let's get right into it and let me know which one you like the best and whether you're gonna be hosting a dinner or doing a breakfast. I would love to know.
It's just gonna be you and me, hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you.
Hi guys and welcome to my channel. I'm so glad that you're here. In this video I'm going to share with you tablescape set, and I really need your help in this. From this is to let me know what type of tablescape I should do this year for our Christmas morning. The first one that I did is a more of a formal one, and I set it up in my formal dining room where I used my fine china, as well as I created this centerpiece using all the greenery out of my garden. I chopped it up, cut it up, and I put it all together as a one huge runner, and then I added these two, I think they're called hurricane candle holders, and put some battery operated candles inside of it. I think it looked very elegant and very formal. The placemats that I used were burlap placemats, and these actually came from a runner that I had purchased at Michael's, and I just cut it to size, so I created the placemats. The chargers I had thrifted from a thrift store, and then I just had these buffalo check plaid napkins on hand. I think I got them from my mom, but I'm not 100% sure. And then just some cutlery and some coffee cups, and then I also just added nice wine glasses. Like I said, this would be a buffet style type where all the food is set up in a kitchen and then you just go and get it. So I typically do not host a dinner at my house at this time. My mother-in-law and my mom are pretty persistent on doing one on Christmas Eve and one on Christmas Day, but I do think that this tablescape would work really well for dinner party as well. You could make 6 settings. My table expands. I could even put 2 extra people here. So but I have it set up for 4 because that's how many I have, and as you can see, I have coffee mugs and wine glasses because this was set up for my breakfast. But I do think that it would work for dinner as well. You just swap out maybe the coffee mugs for another type of glass and add a couple more plates. For the next one, I actually decided to share with you the whole process, how I'm setting it up. So I am using a burlap table runner. I do love that rustic look, and I absolutely love with the way red looks up against burlap. I don't know what it is about it. I just love the way that looks. I am putting also the protectors for the hot on there. I think, what are they called? The coasters. And then I am going to be adding some table placemat setting and placemats. I had actually purchased some of these at well, most of them at Dollarama. They are buffalo check on one side, and on the other side they're red with a little buffalo check mousse. So I thought that was kind of neat because I can use them, use both sides and have a completely different look. The chargers that I'm using are still those same chargers that I thrifted from the other video. I actually ended up getting 12 of, I think it was 12 of them for like, I don't know, $4 or something like that. It was very, very inexpensive. So this one, like I said, is a bit of an not very formal setting. I will also have paper napkins, not cloth napkins, and I will not be using my fine china. I will just be using my white everyday plates that I actually buy at Dollar Tree because we break plates like it's no one's business. So I just buy them at Dollar Tree, just plain white ones, and I think they go well with everything. And for this table setting, I will be setting up food. So I'm starting off with just some meat and cheese charcuterie board. And here are the plates that I'm adding. The cutlery is also just a normal everyday cutlery, where I think I forgot to mention in the other one, I did use my fine silverware because I have 2 sets that I had gotten as a wedding gift. I was also making a full 2 casseroles for this. If you want to see, I have tons of different ideas for Christmas morning. I have 2 different videos for Christmas morning brunch, and then I also have just a regular Mother's Day brunch, which the recipes could really work for Christmas morning as well. They're all over on my cooking channel, and you can check them out. Full recipes and everything is in there, linked in all of the videos. So I'm using this little caddy that I picked up at Dollar Store just to hold all of my condiments like a mayo, ketchup, mustard, and some hot sauce. I'm not using wine glasses, I'm just using mugs for this one. So as you can see, it's all nicely set up, very casual and cozy. I love this one just as much as I love the other one. I would love to know which one I should do. You guys let me know which one you think I should be doing. This last one that I'm going to be sharing is actually, I would say, the most casual one I have going on. I had created this one time for brunch that we had, and it just opened up space for all the food to be placed on the table, different types of food, and I just think it works. It's very, like I said, very, very casual.
But now the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the windows in the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it's Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sun said it is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the windows in the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it's Christmas in my heart.
Well, I hope you guys have enjoyed these several different styles, different type of ideas. Like I said, let me know down below if you are hosting this year and what type of a tablescape you will be creating. I can't wait till it's my turn to host, because I do love hosting and having parties and all that stuff. But for now, I'm just letting them do it, and we do Christmas morning at my house with just the four of us. So until next time, I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.